and existis look interchangeable, but one silently corrupts results when nulls are involved. The IN operator checks whether a column value matches any item in the subquery result set. The database runs the subquery first, collects all returned values into a list, then checks each outer row against that list. Think of it as a membership test. The existis works differently. It uses a correlated subquery, one that references the current row from the outer query. For each outer row, exist simply asks, did any row come back? If yes, include it. It returns a Boolean, not a list of values. Because exists short circuits, it stops as soon as it finds one matching row. It is often faster than IN for large datasets. In must fully evaluate the entire subquery and materialize the result set before comparing. With big tables, that overhead adds up significantly. Here is the NULL trap. If your subquery returns even one NULL, comparisons against non-matching values return unknown, not false, and those rows are silently dropped. Even worse, not IN with any NULL in the list returns 0 rows. Exist sidesteps this entirely by only checking row existence. Use IN for simple value matching, existis when you need row presence and performance. Always use existis if nulls might appear. Follow for more PostgreSQL essentials. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.